Hello, and welcome to Jess Quick News Broadcast. I'm Jess from Huxtello iTech Solutions, bringing you the latest on a developing story from the University Teachers Association of Ghana, also known. UTAG is standing firm and has given the central government until September 30, 2024, to take decisive action and ban illegal small-scale mining, commonly known as galamsey, particularly in our forest reserves. Failure to do so will lead to a nationwide demonstration. In a recent statement by the UTAG president, Professor Mamoudou Ayakudugu, he expressed deep concern over the government's failed efforts to end galamsey. He pointed out the devastating impacts illegal mining has had on our water bodies, forests, and agricultural lands. Water bodies are severely polluted, and, shockingly, experts are warning that if this trend continues, Ghana may need to start importing potable water in just 6 years. Meanwhile, cocoa productivity, once a cornerstone of our economy, has dropped by a staggering 45% this year alone. Illegal mining is costing the economy a whopping $2.3 billion annually, with over 2.5 million hectares of forest cover permanently destroyed, according to the Forestry Commission. But that's not all. The Ghana Health Service reports a 35% increase in respiratory diseases in mining areas due to exposure to harmful chemicals like mercury, arsenic, and lead. These troubling statistics are tied to the greed of those fueling illegal mining, driven by their quest for wealth at the cost of our environment, health, and future. UTAG is urging the government to take a stand now, calling for an immediate and total ban on all forms of small-scale mining. According to Professor Akudugu, initiatives like Operation Vanguard and other government-led efforts have been monumental failures. This call to action is about more than just saving our environment. It's about ensuring that future generations of Ghanaians have clean water, fertile land, and a sustainable future. UTAG is not alone in this fight. They're asking all Ghanaians to unite in support of the ban and plan to join forces with other labor unions to make their voices heard. If the government fails to act by September 30, 2024, UTAG is prepared to embark on a nationwide industrial action to demand what's right. This is a matter of survival, and UTAG has made it clear, they will not back down. As Professor Akudugu said, our lives depend on it. That's all for now on Jess Quick News Broadcast. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. Until next time, let's unite to protect our forests, water bodies, and the future of our youth.